No. Ostateczny... Dziękuję pięknie za donate'a i tym pozytywnym aspektem kontynuujemy. Dobra. Ostateczne rozwiązanie kwestii cysterny.
If I come up there, you better not be murderers or thieves.
I guess you'll have to find out.
A group of guys is what we need.
They're what you think we need. We're doing fine.
For now. What about when...
Stop it.
Hey, dude. I'm Omid.
Omid.
Krista, what's the deal with the train?
We're driving it.
Oh, man.
Syryjczyk jakiś.
Look,
Coś
you
w
want
tym
to help us
guście.
out? We could use some able bodies, and yeah, we really need some help.
What's in it?
Siema Bobek.
Oh, shit. God damn, you guys have a kid.
What are you doing up here?
Do you know how long it's been since I've seen a kid? Shit. What's your name?
Clementine.
Oh, so he gets to swear.
Oh, this is great. See? Things are looking up.
Jaki mały.
You're not her dad. He down there?
It's that obvious?
To me.
And no, he's not down there.
Huh. What's your story?
Lol. Dziwnie się ci ludzie tu poznają jakoś.
I came across Clementine alone. First day all of this happened. I was actually incarcerated.
Sick. Do you have any prison tats?
I didn't make it that far.
And everybody down there, they're cool?
Kenny lost his wife and kid.
Man. How long ago?
What time is it?
I don't know, 4?
Maybe 2 hours ago.
God damn.
We're sorry for anything that's happened to you guys. The train is awesome, though.
That tank is your real problem. We'll help you with it, but if we see anything we don't like, we're moving on down the road. Alone.
We'd appreciate the help.
You can't just blast through it, I guess?
If you could get it down, the rest would probably be pretty easy.
We'll start there.
We'll come down and settle in and see if we can help.
Okej. W ogóle, moi drodzy, ja troszkę rozkręcę czat w tym momencie. Także, moi drodzy, każdy z czatu niech napisze, czy jest obecny. A kto nie ma konta na Hitboxie, to niech sobie założy, bo to trwa pół minuty. No. Kto nie napisze, ten głosu nie ma. Raz, dwa, trzy, start. Ja jestem obecny. Jest taka super zabawa. Taka, no wiecie. Która wprowadza trochę dynamiki. Żeby się co niektórzy ocknęli.
That's about the only useful thing in here.
Ile ja mam lat, Niklaus? Nie wiem, 5? 6?
Empty. That's what I figured.
No. Także widać, że trochę obecnych jest, a nieobecni głosu, prawda, nie mają. Także, moi drodzy, jak się ogląda streamy, to warto być na czacie. Siła streamów tkwi w czacie i w tym, że możemy się kontakcić, możemy mieć kontakt, możemy gadać i w ogóle.
This thing is mangled to hell. No releasing it. No nothing.
Tak, ja zapisuję, kto jest babką, a potem piszę na Whisperze Pokazać węża. Pamiętajcie. Pod dużym głazem jadowity wąż się czai.
There's no way I'm pulling anything apart down there.
Am I gonna have to tell your people the plan or what?
Let's go talk to your people, man.
Oh, me?
What?
Mówi się bydlaka śmierdziela, nie jesteś na topie. Na dupie. Dobra, złazimy na dół.
Guys, this is Omid and Krista.
Not big on welcomes.
No lol.
Like I said,
Ja bym go też
could use some
nie,
good
nie
people.
powitał
Just
entuzjastycznie.
wanted to say hi and say your train is pretty cool.
But we're not looking for charity.
The plan is to cut that tanker down and be on our way.
Seems like plan enough to me.
You want to start in on that tanker?
I'll get to know the girl for a minute, if you don't mind.
And why don't I show you how this thing works, in case something happens?
Jaki on jest
Really,
smutny.
Ken?
It's probably for the best. Someone might want to have a look inside of that station back there, too.
Sounds great. Let's do this thing.
Sounds pretty great.
I'm glad someone's managed to keep this spirit.
No, pozytywnie, a tu kwiatuszek rośnie sobie.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Donate za hajs rodziców. Czy będzie Dead by Daylight? Tak, pogramy sobie dzisiaj również w Dead by Daylight. Prawdopodobnie trochę dłużej jak wczoraj, bo wczoraj zagrałem jeden mecz, także dzisiaj pogramy dłużej w Dead by Daylight. Nawet jakby tam był ktoś chętny, potem, nie wiem, tam może będzie Seto albo ktoś, to byśmy sobie pograł z Łosiem może, o. Widziałem przed chwilą, że gra na Steamie.
Hey there.
That's a pretty useful radio for her to be holding on to, no?
It's busted, but it means something to her.
Oh, I understand.
Careful, she's a crack shot now.
You got this girl shooting guns?
Look, I don't need a lecture.
You weren't getting one. It's good. She should be able to take care of herself.
Where are you from?
San Francisco.
Jeez, a long way from home.
I blame the one in there. He wanted the great American road trip.
Well, he got a little more than he bargained for, huh?
Who the hell is into Civil War history anyway, other than old white guys?
LOL.
Wonderful. You two will be thick as thieves.
What were you two arguing about when I was coming up the ladder?
Nothing.
If you're gonna be around for a while, be good to know what baggage you got.
Then maybe we won't be around for a while.
Not sure how we'll get that tank down.
Maybe ask Omid. He likes to break things.
Omid. Fajny white guy, nie? Pada white guys. Z niego taki white guy jak ze mnie... Siuks. Takie są fakty, moi drodzy. No ale... Co zrobić? Ej, a Kaj ten Omid jest. On się stracił, Kajś. Omid! Nie chrom, Omid to nie jest białas. Ja tak jestem siuksem. Wydało się. Kurde, wydało się. Ej, gdzie jest Omid? Czy wiem, za co dostałeś bana? Nie wiem, to nie ja dawałem. Ale odbanowałem cię, co prawda przez przypadek, ale odbanowałem, bo robiłem tak zwaną ostatnio amnestię. Czasem przeglądam listę widzów i mówię tak.
Can I follow you over there?
Ten to nie
You don't
pamiętam,
like the new girl?
I do, but it's like we're a team.
to
like you
odbanuję.
said.
Yeah, all right. Come on. Clementine and I are checking out this train station, all right? Hustle over if you hear anything.
Idziemy obadać stację. Ocalali w środku. Ej, spoko, że w Ameryce piszą po polsku, żeby Polacy mogli zrozumieć. I polskojęzyczni Ślązacy. To bardzo miło z ich strony, powiem wam. Takie ułatwienie. Everton and Schulz. Schulz, może Ślązak. Dobny Fine Silva. Maccabi Impulse. Ray Brand Auto Parts. Przez Chicago. Ja. Chyba ja. No, postarali je fajnie, jak są napisy zrobione po języku w grze, w teksturach, to już jest szacun. A tutaj nie. Trochę niekonsekwentnie to jest zrobione, ale no już się nie
You should wait for me before
nie
trying to open
przywalajmy
doors.
się.
Sorry.
Luckily it's locked. We'll get better at working together.
Januszek, tak, Janusz Bud. Kurwa, ktoś wierci. Co za luj. Jeszcze 1,5 godziny i nie będą mogli na szczęście.
Won't budge.
No ale... Ja, Rusy.
Doesn't look like that thing's worked in years.
No i nie wlezymy, no. Moda. Co ci mogę powiedzieć? Jest jak jest.
We'll have to find a way in.
Ha, to powiedział.
I can't see it.
Przepraszam bardzo. Ktoś musi pylić, wiecie, jakieś pieruństwo.
The window's open up there.
Lufcikiem wlezie.
Maybe I could look in?
Why don't I put you on my shoulders and you can peek into that window up there?
Sounds good.
Oh yeah, sounds good. I dup.
Okay, I can see in. What do I do now?
What'd you see?
What do you see?
Ha,
Lots of crates and stuff.
Maybe we can find the key or figure out a way to knock this door down. Kenny'd probably have me pick the lock, which actually might work now that we have the
I
time.
think I opened it.
For real?
I think so.
Co ty gadasz? Lol? Faktycznie.
Well, I'll be damned.
Damn son. Znaczy Dora.
Let's go. Be careful.
I'm supposed to tell you that.
A tam w środku będzie czołg i shotguny i bomba z uranu z ubożałego, wzbogaconego. Złoty pociąg, pieniądze z komunii
Damn, it's dark in here.
i hajs ofe.
Maybe I can hold the door open?
I don't like that. I'll prop it open with something.
Bursztynowa komnata, Atlantyda i Hitler, co uciekł ubotem po wojnie.
There's gotta be something useful
Shipping,
in here.
receiving. Panie, sam jest kryw. Sam się coś stanęło złego.
Locked up good. That's exactly what we need.
Over there?
Yeah, we need to get in there and get that blowtorch.
Over there? Tak, tu się powinien tu być British gentleman. Yes, I suppose it's over there. But we can't reach it. At the moment. Tak by było. To by była beka w sumie cały czas.
They didn't have much business back then.
No to never forget it. Nie wlezymy. Ej, czemu żeście go Eka zbanowali? Za co? Ludzie, ej, kto to tak banuje? Bez przesady, przecież napisał ino tak coś tam se. Za
It's
co?
locked up good, but there's some space at the top.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Yeah, we are.
Przecież to nie był spoiler. Chciałem przeciepnąć zaś.
There's some space up there, but not much.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Yeah, we are.
Właśnie może wie. Kurde, Iskor, no ale nie przesadzaj. No ty jest normalnie, kurde, jak kapo w Auschwitz. A może teraz przesadziłem. Ale nie być taki ostry. Nie być taki ostry. Kurwa, nie wiercić. Siema Fausempi, witam. Ho.
You okay going over the top of this fence?
Yeah, definitely.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Buła! Karwa! Fanga! W zasadzie zjadł mi kupę. Shit! Nie
Go on and
wyszło.
grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Kurwa! Sorry, jeszcze raz.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem.
Once again.
Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Ciul!
It's okay, it's okay. Everything's fine. Keys, now!
Zaszczel go! Zaszczel go!
God damn it, it's locked!
Kurwa.
God damn.
That didn't go so good.
No,
Nie mogła...
not go so good.
Nie mogła ona.
We're okay. Everything's okay.
What's going on? I thought I heard a gunshot.
We're fine. We found some walkers.
You and an 8-year-old versus 3 of them, huh?
Huh?
We handled it.
Yeah, it looks like. What if you hadn't?
Ale poradziliśmy
I'm gonna go
sobie.
make sure the noise don't
Babo.
cause us any problems.
Babo
That's a good
głupio.
idea.
Nie podoba mi się ta baba. Ona jest jakaś taka...
I hope you know what you're doing with her.
We're still alive, aren't we?
Yeah, you are.
No. Także dupa cicho, bo ja tu jestem szefem.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm a little shaky.
It'll pass. We got it.
Let's go outside now.
What did we learn?
I'm not ready for a gun.
No. You just have to learn to pull the trigger.
It's so hard.
Don't think. Just do it. Live with what happens.
I'll try.
Drugi odcinek na YouTubie wrzucę jutro. Dzisiaj na YouTube'a tylko jeden film, bo nie zdążyłem drugiego w miniaturki dać i tak dalej, i tak dalej. Ale jutro będzie, także spoko. Mam jeszcze 2 w przód i ten jest 4. Nie, ten jest 5 już. Ten już jest 5. Dobra, wypad.
I found a blowtorch in the station. Should make quick work of the coupling up there.
Excellent. I'll come up there with you to have a look.
Think this'll work?
Dude, you're cutting metal with fire. How could it not?
No to jadymy. Nie wiem, gdzie on to miał, chyba w kieszeni jak w GTA. No ale widocznie tak to ma być.
Shit.
What's up?
The hose has a leak in it.
Turn it off, dude. I don't want my eyebrows burned off. Better plug that leak with something.
Trzeba to zakleić czymś. Najlepiej taśmą.
Hope this holds.
Kurde, taśma jest na wszystko dobra, wyczymię.
That's crazy. Look at it go.
Just about got it. Whoa, thanks.
No sweat, man.
This thing is hanging by a thread. The smallest cut and it'll go.
Uratował mi życie w sumie. Jakby nie
Can't reach it
patrzeć.
now. I can't reach it now. Here, the weak portion of the coupling's out of my reach.
You think it'll be within mine?
No, but I'm gonna dangle you over that ledge.
The hell you are? God, you're a real son of a bitch, aren't you?
Shut up and start cutting.
Ale zarojebnie. O kurwa!
Guys, there's something coming.
What the what?
There must be thousands.
We gotta go.
Fuck. Omid! Cut! Cut!
I am! It's going! Pull me up!
Can he go?
Ojerona!
Shit! What the hell do we do now?
Mam
God, this
koncepcję.
works.
Holy crap!
We gotta jump!
What? No way!
What?
Guys, come on.
Jump!
No!
Jump, damn it!
Still no!
Fine. Ugh.
Kurwa!
Run.
Jego, bo mi życie uratował.
Run!
Run!
No! Her, not me! Krista, no! Fuck! You piece of shit! She's a woman! Don't you know?
It's okay, honey. I'm okay.
Ha! Ale wyszło!
That was a lot of them.
Are you hurt?
No, we're okay.
Speak for yourself. My leg is fucked.
We're fine, Clementine. We're fine.
No. I jak to Mikołaj pięknie zrobił, kurde? Idealnie to rozegrałem. Wiedziałem, żeby ratować mężczyznę. Aczkolwiek motywacja moja była inna, że zostawiłem kobietę. Ale nieważne, bo się uratowała. Hehe. Solidarność plemników, dokładnie. No i drużyna nam się uzupełniła, no to jest, kurde, pozytywna rzecz. Czemu go nie popchnąłem? No nie wiem, no jakoś tak... Nie czułem tego.
We have to find a boat. We just have to.
We will.
You'll be all right.
I'll be alive, I guess. Blood in my heart. Blood in my brain, at least.
I'll leave you to your thoughts. She's out cold like I've never seen.
E?
What the?
Can't wait for you to get to Savannah, Clementine. I got your parents right here. And you be sure to find me, whether Lee wants you to or not. Now, what I need...
Holy shit.
I thought that fucking thing was broken.
So did I.
Well, it sounds like somebody knows where we're headed.
Who the fuck?
I don't know, but I doubt we're gonna be happy when we find out.
Ale się teraz zrobiła atmosfera, kurde, jak w Zagubionych. Pełna sekretów.
We're almost at the river. You want to get on a boat, or you want to wait around till the walkers figure out we're here?
We need to focus on finding the boat right now, Clem. Like we talked about on the train.
I don't know how much longer he can keep on like this. If his leg gets any worse, we're gonna have to carry him.
Or leave him?
No,
If I were
zaś...
you, I'd get out of the street. Now!
Who the hell is this? Answer me, damn it!
So when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Who have you been talking to? You come back here, I'll kill you. You understand? I will kill you!
Tajemniczy zboczek podglądacz, kurde. No, patrzcie. Byłem hipsterem, bo szczeliłem do dziewczyny. Nie byłem hipsterem, bo nie opuściłem Lily. Byłem nie bardzo hipsterem, bo walczyłem. Nie byłem hipsterem i nie byłem hipsterem. Generalnie nie byłem hipsterem. Teraz musimy przelecieć te napisy. No. Moi drodzy, jak wam się podobał trzeci epizod? Jeszcze zostały 2 z tego sezonu. A potem jeszcze sezon numer 2, który też zakupiłem. Także przelecą napisy i będziemy grali dalej. Grali dalej. Nawet idzie to zrymować fajnie. Trzeci epizod jest najdłuższy. No to fajnie. Fajnie, bo się gra bardzo przyjemnie. Niestety nie możemy przeminąć tych napisów. Ale one są krótkie dość. Czułeniu epicko. To dobrze. Najgorzej jest w 4. Wyprzedaże pełne wrażeń. Czy będę grał w Life is Strange? Całkiem możliwe, bo to mi się bardzo podoba. Oglądam już u 5. osoby, nie mogłam sobie odpuścić. Jestem bardzo dumny. A mi się to super podoba, no. Nie ukrywam, że bardzo fajnie mi się w to gra. Cieszę się, że wam się podoba też. Zagram teraz The Walking Dead sezon 2. No nie, teraz nie zagram, bo zostały mi jeszcze 2 epizody pierwszego sezonu. Także, moi drodzy, spokojnie. Pogramy jeszcze sobie w to, potem sobie pogramy w Dead by Daylight, a potem zobaczymy. A potem... Przyjdzie potem, to się będziemy zastanawiać. Dobra. Epizod 4. Za każdym rogiem. Zauważyłeś, że mają lepsze fryzury niż normalny Polak. Co? A kto to jest normalny Polak? Niklaus zabrał jedzenie z samochodu? Tak, zabrałem. Dzisiaj nie skończę. No dzisiaj jeszcze prawdopodobnie nie skończę.
Previously on The
Dobra,
Walking
patrzcie,
Dead.
patrzcie.
Shut up, Carly. I've heard enough out of you.
Now, what the fuck's the problem?
Just get in. I'll figure out what to do with you.
I was trying to protect all of us.
Holy shit! She's stealing the RV!
I don't know much about you folks, but I can tell you as sure as the sun's gonna come up tomorrow, if y'all keep going on like this, and that girl ain't gonna make it.
What do we do? Give me the gun, kid. I'll do it. We need to help find a boat. It's our best bet at safety.
Okay, but we'll be in Savannah, and my parents were in Savannah.
Okay, we'll look for them.
I was the one giving the bandits supplies.
What?
It's all my fault.
We gotta jump!
To
What?
gnój,
No
to
way!
gnój.
Shit!
Can't wait for you to get to Savannah, Clementine. I got your parents right here. And you be sure to find me, whether Lee wants you to or not. Now, what I need...
Who the fuck?
I don't know, but I doubt we're gonna be happy when we find out.
Karwa, ale się tu wszystko kurde komplikuje. Siema Royber, witam. Komplikacje na wielką akcję. Żywe trupy włażą ci do... Ale to by był śmieszny rym, nie? No i dojechaliśmy. Wygląda trochę jak Bytom. Piekarska. Skrzyżowanie piekarskiej. I tam... tej drugiej. Pierwszy raz gram, serialu nie oglądałem. Kiedyś tylko włączyłem telewizję. Przez przypadek widziałem taką scenę, jak się taki Azjata dupczył z taką babką młodą tam. O! Onomatopeja taka. W magazynie tam była akcja, wiecie. I to było jakieś 5 minut. I tyle widziałem.
Can't I just hold it? Just for a little while? We're getting real close to where my mom and dad are. Maybe I can...
Not now, Clementine. Maybe later, okay?
Okay.
How's O'Neal?
His leg's pretty bad.
I'm fine.
You're not fine. You need to rest. He needs to rest.
Kenny, how much farther to the riverfront?
There should be just a few more blocks up ahead.
And there'll be boats there?
Sure as hell better be.
To był ten
There'll be
Glenn.
boats. Have to be. Have to be.
It's going
Dobra.
to be okay. Kenny knows what he's doing. What the hell?
Maybe this city's not so dead after all.
Keep moving. No one's ringing that bell. It's automatic. On a timer.
What kind of church bell goes off at 20 past the hour?
O,
Someone's up there!
Are you
Argentinio.
sure? I don't see anything.
Argentinio.
Hey! Hey, you up there!
Damn it, Lee. Keep quiet. You're gonna...
If I were you, I'd get out of the street now.
I thought you said that thing didn't work.
Siema Grzechu. Ale Grzechu, jaka tu jest akcja.
Who the hell is this? Hello? Hello! I said answer me!
Wszyscy w szoku. Cisza w eterze.
The hell was that? Is someone trying to fuck with us? Sounded more like a warning.
Ask not for whom the bell tolls.
What are
Lol.
you yammering on about?
It tolls for thee.
Coelho.
God damn it! Run! Follow me!
Bania. O. Nie, 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 nie.
Kitty!
Little too close, don't you think?
No!
Fuck.
Ben! Help her!
O! O!
No!
Karwa?
Get her the hell out of here. I'll catch up with you.
Move your asses! River Street's right up ahead!
That's not all.
Oh, give me a fucking break!
Wait, where the hell's Chuck?
Shit, he's in trouble. We gotta help him.
There's no time! We gotta go, now!
I'll be fine.
Just go!
Kurwa. Jaki ten Ben to jest kutank, ja pierdzielę.
I'll get the door.
To jest szczyt.
You okay?
Yeah.
You've opened up your wound. You're bleeding. Shit, it's gonna get infected. We've gotta get him inside. Clean him up.
Kenny, how's that door
I'm
coming?
working on it, I'm working on it!
We'll work faster, would you? Won't be long before those things outside figure out where we went. You know they can smell blood.
Quit it, the pair of you. Gonna bring more of them down on us. I'll see if I can find a way in.
Normalnie tego gnoja to w pierwszej kolejności. Pod ścianę.
Do you think the dead people saw us come back here? Are they going to find us?
No, they didn't see us. We were too fast for them.
I can still hear them out there. It sounds like they're getting closer.
It's just your imagination.
Moda, nie stresuj.
I'll feel safer when we're inside the house.
Ta jest też dobra szefowa. Ogarniaczka.
How's he looking?
I'm all right.
You're not all right. You've reopened your wound, you're losing blood, and God only knows what might have gotten in there. It could be infected, it could be...
No offense, but you really need to work on your bedside manner.
She's just worried about you, man. Don't worry. We're gonna get you fixed up in no time. Just as soon as we're inside, okay?
Okay. Thanks, man.
Please go and help Kenny. We need to get him inside now.
I'm on it. Just sit tight.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere.
No raczej, nie inaczej.
Will we be inside soon?
Yeah, not much longer now.
I hope so. It's getting cold out here.
Kurde, u mnie jest gorko fest. Nie narzekam. Na brak temperatury.
Looks like something was buried here. Just a doghouse.
Gdzie jest ten ty frajerze?
There. About what happened back there on the street.
I know. I don't know what happened. I just froze up. Hasn't that ever happened to you?
Just hear what I'm saying.
Froze up i wydupił.
Put that girl in danger again. It won't be walkers you have to worry about.
I hear you.
How do you think Kenny's holding up?
I don't know. It's
I
like
ten
all I
jeszcze
can think
gada
about is
z nim.
finding a
Ja
boat.
pierdaczę.
He definitely doesn't want to talk about Katya and Duck, at least not with me.
Yeah, well, I figured that's probably for the best.
Zwierzęta się nie przemieniają, bo nie mają duszy. A?
Think we can get in through one of these windows?
Man, I don't think so. Whoever owned this place had them all barred up.
Yeah, looks pretty solid. I'm gonna go check things out.
All right.
Alright.
How's it coming? Found a way in yet?
Door's locked up tight. Too heavy to force it without making a whole lot of noise.
Maybe there's a better way in.
Well, if there is, I ain't seeing it.
You think maybe someone's still inside?
Nah, we'd have heard from him by now, all the racket we're making. But whoever was here did a pretty good job fortifying it. Nice place to hole up. We could just figure out how to get in.
Hey, how you holding up, man?
Lee, I appreciate the interest, but I don't think talking about my feelings right now is gonna help us get inside this house. Maybe you should have a look around. See what you can find.
No way I'm gonna be able to bust through that. Damn.
Panie, ja już sam więcej nic nie zrobię.
No way we're gonna force that open. Not without making a lot of noise at least.
Dołem idzie przejść.
What's this? Looks like there's some kind of pet door here.
I tried it already. That's locked too.
Who the hell ever heard of a locked doggy door?
I have. My neighbor had one just like that. It's radio controlled. The dog wears a collar with a chip in it, so the door only opens when the dog gets close to it.
Well, shit. Every day's a school day.
All right, so where's the dog?
Dog jest buried here.
Not thirsty enough to drink that yet.
Kurde, do tej fontanny zombie robiły siku i kupę pewnie. A on by chciał z tego pić.
Looks like something was buried here.
No kop! Trzeba wykopać. Pieseła.
Not thirsty enough to drink that yet.
Napluły, tak. Zombie naharkał. Masz jakieś koncepcje?
Making any progress
Ken.
on that door?
Kenny? Mam na imię Jenny.
How you guys doing?
Not great so long as we're stuck out here. Will you please go figure out a way to get us inside?
No jaj, no.
Will we be inside soon?
Yeah, not much longer now.
I hope so. It's getting cold out here.
Empty. That would have been too easy. Looks like something was buried here.
Too easy, Pado. Too easy. Fajne easy. Aj, nagle co? I nagle się znalazła. Nagle jest.
The
To
shovel
cud.
is never not useful.
O prawdziwy cud. Nad Wisłą. Ciekawe, gdzie on to dał. Chyba do
Hey, be careful. Digging up dead things isn't what it used to be, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear you.
What's buried down there?
piesek.
Nothing. Clem, go over and sit with Krista and Omi, okay?
But I want to...
Just do what I say, okay?
Pozdrowienia od ziemniaka, Wajerona. Dziękuję, ziemniak. Też pięknie pozdrawiam wszystkich od ziemniaka i ziemniaka.
God, the smell.
Ale walło. Dzięki, dzięki, dzięki piękne.
Must have belonged to someone.
Trochę się już rozłożył. Piesełek.
Can't get it off.
Wydaszyj go.
I'm fine, honey. It's just the smell.
Are you sure you're...
I said I'm fine, okay?
Czy dać mi suba, czy otworzyć case'y? Oczywiście, że dać suba. Z case'y, z rejsy tam. No, chupacabra. La chupacabra.
Stinks like hell.
Mała jest twarda, kurde. To było konkretne. Oderwała się głowa temu piesowi. Straszna sprawa.
Here goes nothing.
Yes! God damn!
God damn. Son.
You see anything in there?
No. Looks like it's been empty a while.
Whatever you're gonna do it fast.
Okay, let me see if I can reach up in there.
Be
Tylko...
careful, man.
I zaraz mi odgryzie coś.
It's no good. I can't.
Niech mała
Here,
idzie.
let me try. I think I can.
No. No.
Clem, what do you see in there?
Ta-da!
Good job, Clem.
Yeah, way to go.
Subek,
Good, right?
Yes, you did. You did good.
Can we maybe have this conversation inside? My leg's starting to hurt like hell.
Looks so...
Czekajcie, moi drodzy, dzięki piękne Shaky B. Ja tutaj tylko uzupełnię. Dziękuję pięknie za subka. I moi drodzy, polecam się na przyszłość i polecam ten styl życia, do którego przekonał się Shaky B. Dziękuję jeszcze raz i no. I gratuluję, bo to dobry wybór.
Looks okay from here. Everybody in.
Lepiej suba jak case'y w CS-ie. To jest dobra droga. Dobra droga, polecam.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Feel better already just being off my feet. Thanks, babe.
Ona jakaś smutna.
So, when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Tell you what?
That it's working. That there's someone else on the other end of that thing. You didn't think that might have been worth sharing with the rest of us?
I was gonna tell you. Kenny and I only found out yesterday.
So both of you were keeping it from the rest of us. Great.
Who gives a shit about the damn radio? I'm more worried about whoever it was out there ringing that bell and bringing the dead down on top of us. It's like they didn't want us to make it to the river.
What makes you think it's not the same person? Whoever was on the radio was close enough to see us in the street, and we didn't see anyone else other than the guy in the bell tower.
Because that doesn't make a lick of damn sense. Why would they bring out the dead like that and then try to warn us about it?
How much sense does anything make anymore? In case you haven't noticed, there's a lot of twisted folks out there these days. At least the dead don't play games with you.
Whoever it was, seems like they're following us. And I don't like being followed.
All the more reason to get on a damn boat where we can't be followed.
I'm not going back out there anytime soon. Omid needs to rest.
I think we could all use a little time to rest up and gather our thoughts, Kenny. At least until those walkers outside wander off and Omid's feeling better.
He best feel better quick. I ain't gonna wait around here too long.
Place seems secure, at least.
I'll feel better when we know that for sure. We need to check the whole house.
All right, fine. You and me'll take the upstairs. Lee, you've got down here. Make sure you check every door, understand?
Okay.
Can I help? What if there's another locked door?
I think you've been helpful enough for one day, kiddo. Why don't you just see if Kristen and Omid need anything, okay?
Okay.
Także moi drodzy, widzicie, prosta sprawa. Jeżeli dojdzie do inwazji zombie, trzeba mieć przy sobie jakiegoś małego człowieczka, dziecko, karła, coś takiego, kto będzie wam otwierał drzwi, chociaż akurat w Polsce raczej nie ma takich drzwi z tymi takimi do psów, także nie ma takiej potrzeby jakoś bardzo.
I'm not that hungry. Besides, I need to finish checking the downstairs. All empty.
All empty. Mikrowela.
No power.
Przez komin. O! Przez komin, właśnie.
Nothing. Water's off.
Nie ma wody, nie ma powera. Generalnie jest słabo. Mój pies Walton. Ej, tu Polacy mieszkali jacyś, bo po polsku stoi szrabnięte.
All cleaned out. Must
Zygor,
have stopped working a while ago.
gorzoła, biera. Gorzoła się zawsze przyda, moi
Probably
drodzy.
not the best idea right now. I need to stay frosty.
Kurde, po co trzeźwo myśleć, jak można się napić i myśleć trochę mniej trzeźwo, ale przynajmniej nerwów nie ma.
And heavy. Doubt any looters would be able to haul that thing too far.
To jest ten stół,
How's it
który...
coming?
To jest ten stół, który Hitlera ocalił w trakcie zamachu, wiecie. Że moje streamy są genialne z The Walking Dead, no to kurde, panie Sochu, bardzo mi miło. Bardzo się cieszę.
Holding up okay?
I hope this house is safe. Have you checked all the rooms to make sure?
No!
No, but I'll take care of it.
Czekaj, moda, czekaj.
Hey guys,
How's the house looking?
not done searching the first floor yet, but so far so good. What do you guys think about this plan of Kenny's?
The guy's losing it. Look, Lee, I know he's your friend and all, but you need to be careful. That man is on the edge, and I don't know if I want to be around when he goes over it.
Kenny's solid. He's just been through a lot, that's all.
I hope you're right. for all our sakes.
Chyba sobie oświeca świateło. No.
How's that couch treating you, Omid?
Siema,
Like
Kiri.
feeling better yet?
I'm alright.
I feel you. Finding this house was a hell of a stroke of luck.
I'll like it a lot better when we know for sure it's safe.
I'll make sure. But right now it feels like just the break we needed. Maybe our luck's starting to turn around.
I'd like to believe that. Really, I would.
Sit tight. I'll keep checking the first floor to make sure it's safe.
Thanks, Lee.
Trochę przypominam Bena, tego cwelucha. Dzięki. Mam nadzieję, że tylko... Nie no, umówmy się, każdy gościu w grze w przedziale wiekowym 20-30 z ciemnymi blond włosami, biały, będzie wyglądał trochę jak ja, no bo ja tak, no... Bo ja tak wyglądam. Także jestem podobny do licznych postaci, mimochodem. Ale mi się ciepło jest, masakra. Co to za malunki
Not
jakieś?
exactly my style.
Ben jest rudy. Nie jest rudy, on jest jakiś taki blond ciemny. Tak mi się wydaje. Ale nie jestem włosowym specjalistą. Pajebnie. Albo nie.
Nothing hiding in here.
Sracz. No, nutn. Siema, Michaelo.
All clear in here. Just one more to check.
Moi drodzy, do 3 razy sztuka. Za trzecim razem zawsze się coś dzieje. To jest taka niepisana zasada, wiecie, chaosu. Ale jeszcze zanim pójdziemy sobie upstairs i obejrzymy, co się tam
Kenny
dzieje.
and Ben have the second floor covered. I should finish checking down here. Kenny and
Aha.
Ben have the second floor covered. I should finish checking down here.
A może ja bym chciał do góry iść, no i nie pozwolą, no taka wolność w grze. Oj, Rona, dobra. Łazimy tu. Uwaga.
Jesus!
O nie!
What? What happened?
It's nothing. Just nothing.
To miotła.
Well, place ain't got much. We should be okay here for a while. At
Najgorzej.
least until it quiets down outside.
Good. Thanks.
Worst.
Is he
Worst situation ever.
Yeah, for now. But I'm really worried his leg might have gotten infected. Don't suppose you turned up any meds while you were poking around?
okay? Nah, just dog food. And there's some whiskey in the back.
I was just asking Clementine if she knows who the man on her radio is. It's okay, honey. You can tell us. Who is he? What does he want?
Go ahead, Clem. It's okay. You're not in any trouble.
It's just a friend. I don't think he wants to hurt us.
What has he been saying to you? What have you been saying to him?
Pedofil.
I told him I was trying to find my parents and that they were in Savannah. He really seems nice. I think he wants to help me find them.
Clementine, honey, trust me, that's not what he wants.
Lee? Lee, you need to get up here now.
What's wrong?
It's Kenny.
What?
Kenny said he thought he heard something up there. Went to go look.
He's up there?
can't get him to come down.
Oh.
Stay here.
Zaje pasztet, moi drodzy. Zaje pasztet. Ufa. Zaraz jebnie pewnie.
Kenny? Kenny, you okay, man?
Kenny chyba się zawiesił.
Oh, Jesus. What the hell is that? Oh my God.
Shit.
Kinda looks like Duck, don't he?
It's just a kid. What the hell happened to him?
Ain't nothing on him. Guess he must have been hiding out up here. Starved to death.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know if I can, Lee. Couldn't do it before. Can't do it now.
I can't ask you to do this, man. I'll take care of it. Like I did before.
Are you sure?
I guess we'll find out.
Kurwa, to są ciężkie motywy.
Poor kid must have tried to hide out up here until he starved to death. Oh, this could have been Clementine if I hadn't found her when I did.
Nie no, byćmy ludźmi.
I'm sorry.
We should bury him.
I'll take care of it.
Ej, ale innych to żeśmy nie chowali. To jest trochę niesprawiedliwe. Ej, to są ciężkie takie... Ciężkie motywy. Od jakiegoś czasu coraz cięższe. Siema Sanchez. Nie chce ci się płakać od tego trochę tak. No nie no, płakać mi się nie chce, ale motywy jak na grę w takiej stylistyce są ciężkie. Witam Cool for the Summer. Siema Lejto, siema Derlo. Witam pięknie. Ta czarna mi się nie podoba. Siema Proud to be Polish. Ale to nie dlatego, że jest czarna, że jestem rasistą. Tylko jest podejrzana. Po prostu. O, donate poszedł, tylko coś muzyka nie zaskoczyła. 10 zł od Dirty Sancheza. Dziękuję ci, miłego wieczoru Mikołaju. Pięknie dziękuję. Pięknie dziękuję, Sanchez. Nie wiem czemu coś muzyczka nie poszła i tego... ale dziękuję pięknie. Chyba.
Hey! Hey!
Człowiek małpa.
Who are you? What the hell do you want from us?
Lee, what's going on?
I saw someone standing there by the fence, watching us.
A walker?
No, too fast.
Przepraszam, ale widzicie co jest z tym napisem? Jest trochę nie tak jak powinien być. O. Bo on był Slender. Kurde, Pieron wie. Bardzo możliwe.
Go like a bat out of hell when I spotted him.
Was it a man or a woman?
Didn't get a good enough look.
What does it matter?
I'm wondering if it's the same guy who's been following us. The guy on the radio.
Kenny?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What's all the ruckus?
Lee saw someone watching us from outside the gate.
What? Who?
I can't be sure. It ran off before I could get a good look.
I don't like this one bit. Not one bit.
Me either. Walkers are one thing, but the thought of someone out there actually stalking us.
All right, that's it. We've stuck around here long enough. It's time to get back on track. Time to get down to the river and find ourselves a boat.
I don't know if Omid's well enough to move yet.
Well, he better get ready, because I'm going down to River Street right now to find a boat. And as soon as she's ready to go, we're moving out.
We only checked the house to make sure it's secure. We didn't really toss the place. We're low on food, water, meds, ammo. We should make sure there's nothing here we can use before we move out.
Well, you search it if you wanna. I'm done with this house. We came to this city to find a boat, and that's just what I'm gonna do.
Maybe it's not such a bad idea to check the place one
I
more...
said I'm done with this house!
We can do both. Ben, you take one last look around the place. Grab anything that looks useful, while me and Kenny go down to the river to get us a boat.
Wait, can't I come? My mom and dad can't be far now. Maybe we can look for them on the way to the river.
We need to focus on finding a boat right now, Clem. Like we talked about on the train, remember?
Okay.
Daylight's burning. Gonna go grab my gear, then we'll head out.
Come on, Clem. Let's go see if Omid needs anything.
Kurde, Mateusz, nie przeginaj,
So,
bo
you're just
zaraz
gonna leave me
będą
on the
bany.
bench here?
Że balansujesz na krawędzi. Co sądzisz o... Czekajcie.
No offense, Ben, but I'd feel safer if you stayed here.
How am I supposed to not take offense to that? What am I, a liability?
Tak! Tak!
Great. Just great. Thanks a lot for the vote of confidence.
Zaufanie.
Confidence is earned, Ben. And you've got a long way to go to earn yours back after some of the stuff you've pulled. You feel me?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel you.
Kurwa. Franca. Zbolała. Infekcja. Po polsku, czyli to w Polsce. Wygląda trochę nawet jak Bytom, a nie, to chyba nie Polska, nie Śląsk. Jest w tym guście. Ken znerwowany.
Hey, so you want to talk about it?
About what?
About what happened back there, in the attic.
No.
You sure, man? I mean...
River's right up ahead.
Siema Steryt, was Neues im Beutem?
Son of a bitch. That
Nicht,
bastard's fucking with us again.
Nix.
It's another trap.
No,
nix
listen,
Neues.
that's not the same bell as before. This one's further off.
Alte,
Whatever it is, it's
alte
gonna get
Armut.
the dead moving over there.
Jak to gadają. Armut, Hunger
What in the hell is going on?
i te insze.
I don't know, but the person ringing that bell might be doing us a favor.
Whatever, man. I find whoever's doing that, I'll ring their motherfucking bell for them.
Good one.
Let's keep moving.
Still nothing moving behind us. I think we're...
Swoim popisca, ja. Nabyto mnie dowożą. Są łodzie! Ale potopione.
There's gotta be a boat. There's gotta be.
Are you sure about that? Doesn't look like it to me. Maybe we need to start thinking about a plan B.
This is the plan. It's the only one we've got, and you pissing on it in front of everyone like you did back at the house ain't exactly helping. Well, screw you. I ain't giving up that easy.
No to popłynęli my.
This one might still be salvageable.
Ta łódź jest rozjebana, no ta łódź jest rozjebana, kolego.
Kenny, get a grip. This boat is totally fucked.
Oh yeah? Know a lot about boats, do you? Tell you what, if I ever need an expert opinion on American history or on committing murders, I'll be sure to ask. But how about you leave the nautical shit to me?
Oh, right in the feels.
I'll check it out. You look further along the waterfront. Maybe there's something at the other end.
I don't think we should split up too far.
We don't have to. See that telescope? You can see all the way along the waterfront from right here. See what you can find.
Okay.
Z Gliwic pizza. To była najdłużej wieziona pizza na świecie. I nie wiadomo, czy by została dowieziona. Parapipapa.
Someone must have been trying to back their boat into the water. Only things didn't go as planned.
Siema grzechu.
I'll just have a look around, okay? Jesus.
Siema Hanys, Pieroński Hanys. Witam. Jesus, oni ino tak. Oh God, Jesus, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Oni są tacy fez wierzący chyba, to luteranie w końcu, nie?
Great. Needs a quarter to work.
Z jaszczurami do weterynarza? Jerona. A jakbym walnął z klucza?
Damn. Built solid.
Ha! Warto było spróbować. Nie mam quartera. Ej, jak w Mass Effectie.
What is this meant to be?
Stay
Some kind
out.
of warning? We'll do something like this.
No i nieźle. No nie będę do tego strzelał, bo przecież... Ej, ile tu jest trupów usypane! Ja pierdaczę!
This barricade does a good job of making me not want to go any further.
Jedyna gadzia weterynarz na Górnym Śląsku jest w Bytomiu. O kurde, to jerona, o to fest, to się te roski idzie poasić. Jak teraz mnie spytają, Niklaus, skąd jesteś, to ja powiem, jestem z Bytomia na Górnym Śląsku, gdzie mamy jedyną panią weterynarz, która zajmuje się gadami. Czyli jeżeli masz w domu chorego krokodyla, przyjedź do Bytomia. Beuten OS willkommen.
What the hell are these markings? They're all over the place.
Zaczyna się tu robić klimat mega, super, tajemniczy. Mamy zaszli za daleko. Bazyliszka, tak. Baleziszka. A nie, to było. Sorry. Excusez-moi.
Could be military tags, but what do they mean?
2 AAJ. Who knows?
Maybe there's some change in the drawer. Hello, beautiful. Empty. Yeah, that would have been too easy.
Kurde, wszystko jest w tej grze za proste. To wszystko musi być skomplikowane.
Someone already
Bo inaczej jest za proste, no przykro mi, za proste.
Must have taken weeks to board up all these windows.
Yes.
Looks like the whole city has been boarded up, for all the good it did. I should probably stick close to Kenny. It's too dangerous out here.
No, szczególnie, że tam zombie stało. Także it's a very good idea.
Looks like it's still intact.
Może pieniążki będą.
Locked.
Z klucza. A! Pieniądze. Mamona. Będzie do tego. Do.
Gas siphon, tires
Lunety.
removed, engine parts missing. Looks like this thing has been stripped clean. Must have been a hell of a wreck.
Ale że mnie bandyta. No, wiem. Bandzior pierwszej wody.
Definitely looks like a rush job.
Dobra, idziemy użyć na tym łonym.
Fuck!
What's up with the boat?
It ain't gonna work. Hull's cracked beneath the waterline, plus someone stripped out the battery.
You can't fix it?
What the hell is that?
No.
A fate worse than death.
What the fuck, pireński Hanys? What the fuck?
No sign of any boats down there.
Lepiej byś se suba kupił, jak takie gówna na czat wrzucać. Jeszcze ktoś od tego dostanie ataku i padnie i umrze.
Plenty of docks, no boats. No way that one's salvageable. Nothing but water, not a boat to be seen. The Talmadge Memorial Bridge. Can't imagine how many people tried to escape across it when the city started to fall. Nothing but water, not a boat to be seen.
Wszystko będzie na Niklausa. Ja. Głupi głupek.
The hell?
Co to? Ej, to jest jakiś ten. To jest jakiś kurde z Mirror's Edge'a, ten biegacz.
Why the hell are we hiding?
Someone came down from that building at the end of the street. Where'd he go?
Assassin.
Saw him run into that newsstand.
Could be our bell ringer.
Bierzemy go.
How about we go find out?
Bierzemy go.
Okay, you head up the middle of the
Walimy go na łeb.
I'll go around the side.
Scyca na pizdę. Lufa w ryj.
Taken by surprise.
Kołowrót, przerzut przez plecy. Flek w nerę.
Talk to this guy.
Oh, we're gonna talk.
Najwyżej go zaszczelimy.
What the?
Fuck! Nie! Kurwa, nie trafiłem. To babka jest.
No!
Clem?
Please, don't hurt him!
You're not from Crawford.
Wywaliło mi grę, sorry.
Kenny, don't! No, he's with us!
Kurwa, zminimalizowało mi grę i nie mogłem kliknąć opcji dialogowej. Ja pierdolę, przepraszam, że wulgaryzuję, ale...
Who the hell are you?
Jerona.
Kenny, back off. Unless you want this lady to give you another ass.
Oh.
Who are you calling lady? The name's Molly.
Molly, I'm Lee. This is Kenny and Clementine. We're not looking for any trouble.
Hi.
Ciężko. Ciężko się ta przyjaźń będzie
You guys
układała.
really aren't from Crawford, are you?
I don't even know what that is.
Everything beyond that barricade.
What the hell happened here?
You sure you want to know? When everything started going to shit, some people got together and sealed off that whole
It's the
neighborhood.
motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
You know I'm
I
out
try
with
to
the
avoid it.
D.R.E.
Why?
Dziękuję pięknie.
Let's just say they have a zero tolerance policy for anyone who won't or can't live by their rules.
So how'd you know we weren't them?
Because there are no children in Crawford. Not anymore.
What do you mean, no children? Why not?
No children, no elderly, no one with an advanced medical condition. Basically, no one who might be a burden on the community. Crawford's all about the survival of the fittest. That's how they survived, while the rest of the world went to shit around them.
Jesus Christ.
Well, just the opposite when you think about it.
What exactly did Crawford do with all these burdens? What happened to them?
Well, you met some of them already.
Fuck me.
Yeah. Anyone who got sick, anyone too old, anyone they figured wasn't strong enough to survive. To them, those people were just mouths to feed, a drain on their precious resources.
No czyli nas odjebebe, bo my są pasożyty i pijawy.
How do you know all this?
I dziecko mamy i czarni jesteśmy.
Everyone in Savannah knew. What was going on inside Crawford got passed
Not
around
gonna
like a ghost
work.
story. Except this one was true.
know who's been ringing those bells all over town?
Yeah, that would be me.
I knew it! Lee, I knew she was the one who's been following us. Fucking with us.
Get that finger out of my face, Grandpa, before I jam it straight up your ass. I haven't been following
Holy
you. I
moly.
don't even know who the hell you people are.
Calm down, Kenny. The voice on the radio was a guy, remember?
Yeah, well, whoever you are, ringing those bells this morning nearly got us all killed. Raised the dead all around us.
That's the idea, genius. It's how I get around. I ring a bell in one neighborhood to attract the local geeks towards it. Buys me some time to scavenge the areas they cleared out.
Geeks? Is that what you call them?
Yeah, you know, like at the carnival, they'll eat anything, alive or dead.
That's pretty smart, the bells.
Doesn't take much to outsmart the dead. Bunch of dumbasses. You just gotta move fast, get in and out before they start to wander back again. Look, I'm gonna ask you people again. You're not from Crawford, so who the hell are you? What are you doing here?
Came down here looking for a boat, hoping to get our people out of here and find someplace safe.
Yeah, good luck with that. Anyone with a boat took it out of here as soon as people started eating each other. Any that got left behind, Crawford stripped them for parts. Cars, too.
There's gotta be something.
If there was, do you think I'd still be here? I've been over every inch of this city. This whole place is picked clean.
God damn it! Fuck!
Hey, moron. You want to keep your voice down?
Shit.
Since you're not getting on any boat, I'd advise you folks to go back to where you came from before...
Shit.
Great. Just great.
Isn't that the way we came? Fuck. Gunshot must have brought him back.
Isn't there another way back to the house?
Molly, is there a... Hey! You're just gonna leave us here?
Sorry, I must have missed that part of our conversation where you became my problem.
Don't leave us here, please.
Come on, make it fast.
Oh, fuck me.
Come on, hurry!
Come on!
Come on, man. One good jump.
Kurwa. On ma tą rękę słabą.
Come on, Lee. Get your ass out of there.
God, can't get it open.
Here, use that to pry it open.
Lol.
Clementine, can you hear me?
Fuck.
If you can hear me, just get back to the house, okay? I'll meet you there.
Stałem się Tadeuszem Norkiem. Czarnym Tadeuszem Norkiem. Shit. Grafika Radeon czy GeForce? Ja polecam GeForce'a. Ja GeForce'y generalnie faworyzuję. Sam mam GeForce'a i sobie chwalę. Dobra. Nie wracam. To się wdupiłem. Ciekawe, czy jakbym tam kliknął i ten pistolet by nie wypadł i by nie strzelił, to by one nie przyszły i by nie trzeba było takich robić akcji chorych. No ale to...
No way I can pry that open.
A w ogóle to już nie ma Radeonów, bo teraz jest AMD. Pajebnie. Jak on po tym złazi w ogóle? Pedzioch.
Ain't touching that. Last thing I need is some god-awful disease.
I scury! I scurów martwych się nie dotyka. My kiedyś z kumplami na placu znaleźli martwego i scura umartego i żeśmy się nim zaczęli bawić, tam dziubać go patykiem i tak dalej, a mama na mnie krzyczała: nie dotykaj, bo tam choroby są! No i może jakby nie mama, to bym dziś dzisiaj nie żył. Może trzeba by jej było podziękować w sumie. Nie pomyślałem o tym. Teraz tak myślę, że warto.
It's a drainage pipe.
To jest ruła. To jest fakt. Fuck.
Could be the way out. There's no way I could take on all of those things by myself.
Co się stanie?
Won't turn anymore in that direction.
No może w drugą? A?
I'm out here and not in there. Seems loose. Shit.
Generalnie poszło nieźle, siema jama. To jest tutaj zombie łażą, ja? Siema Michał. Siema Bursztyn. Witam pięknie. No i co teraz?
Won't turn anymore in that direction.
Siema Mates.
Here they come.
No i teraz za ojtka, nie? Za ojtka zostały zrobione. Pójdą teraz do wody, a ja się przesmyknę i ucieknę i... Nasi górą. Genialny plan. Patrzcie jak drobi jak gejsza. Jak będziesz tak drobił jak gejsza killer, to się w końcu zabijesz. Siema Kuba. O, jakie bebechy.
Oh my god. Chuck. You must have tried to hide out down here.
To jest Chuck?
Bastard.
Kurde be.
No bullets. He must have saved the last one for himself.
Borocek.
You deserve better, old man.
Tam jeszcze Tom trzeba z buta na łeb walnąć. Z cyca na wiecie co? Ja ją tym fajnym czekanikiem proponuję po łebie. O!
Go, goddammit!
Sied.
No way I I could pick that up on my own.
Betonem na mordę to było wczoraj.
Shit, it broke off.
Jak oni brzydko mówią, nie?
That door is fucked.
Ja pierdzielę, ile tu jest wulgaryzmów, się potem dziwicie, że ja klnę. Gram w te gry i pochłaniam te negatywne, prawda, wiecie. Potem tak mówię, jak oni brzydko.
I'm not gonna be able to pry these bars with this.
Tak, ja streamuję codziennie.
They already tried that.
Ile dzisiaj gram? 3 godziny 40 minut. Yep.
What the hell?
To było good idea, szefie. Gry deprawują, no kurde mocno. Generalnie nie polecam grać w gry, no. Chyba, że się człowiek chce strasznie zdeprawować.
The hell?
Schron?
Must have been one of those old nuclear fallout shelters.
Nuclear fallout? Ja pierdaczę. Tu pewnie jest złoto, co Niemcy z Polski wywieźli.
Wonder if someone's living down here. Look at all this. It's enough to keep people alive for months.
Złoty pociąg, dokładnie. LOL?
Who are you?
I could ask you the same question.
You barged in on us, and I'm the one holding the gun. So I'll ask you again. Who are you?
Look, I'm sorry I disturbed you folks. I'll just be going.
You can't let him leave. He's from Crawford. If he goes back there and they find out we're down here...
Are you from Crawford? Hey, don't lie to me. I'll know.
Where else can he be from? Everywhere else around here is dead.
I'm not from around here. I'm from Athens. Grew up in Macon.
I have a brother in Macon. You were there? How was it? As bad as here?
I'm sorry.
You can't trust him, Vernon. You can't let him leave.
Następna
What do you want
głupia
me to
baba.
do? Shoot him in the head?
Why not? Be more of a mercy than anyone from Crawford ever showed us. Think, Vernon. What do you think they'll do if they find out we're down here, right under their feet?
Damn it. You're right. I'm sorry, friend. Can't take the risk.
I'm not from Crawford, but I saw what they did up there. It made me sick. I'm not like them, and I don't think you are either. I think you're a good man.
Keep back, or I swear I'll shoot.
It's all right. It's okay.
Vernon, what the hell are you doing?
Zaszczelić babę teraz.
Vernon!
Relax. I'm not here to hurt you.
You're really not from Crawford?
No, I'm really not.
Well, we are, or were. We got out of there when they started sealing up the place, started weeding out the sick and the old so the perfect survivor society wouldn't be threatened. No room for weakness or vulnerability in their little master race.
You don't look that old, so you're sick?
We're sick. We're all members of a cancer survivors group that used to meet here at the hospital. We're in remission. But that wasn't good enough for Crawford. They'd already rounded up 5 of us before the rest of us managed to hole up and hide from them down here. This old basement's been abandoned for years.
What is this? A morgue?
Yeah, irony's always high on my list when I'm looking for a place to survive. How did you find your way down here?
My group and I were up by the river looking for a boat. Now I just want to get out of here and find them again.
Well, that sewer system you came through runs all over the city. It'll take you wherever you want to go.
Those sewers are like a damn maze. Any chance you could help me find my way back?
Look, I'd like to help you, but we've all got our own problems. 2 of our group are sick and need constant care, and I'm the only doctor here.
Besides, why should we help you?
Look, I'm sorry if I scared you. I just want to get back to my people. Back to Clementine.
She's your daughter?
Yeah. She's probably already wondering where I am.
Skłamałem.
Well, we can't have that, can we?
Vern, what the hell are you doing?
It's all right, Bree. I had a daughter.
Bree? Jak ten
Lost her in the
ser?
first days. I'll be damned if I'll just sit back and let that happen to someone else.
We need you here.
Don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. Let's go see about your daughter.
O, Morgan Freeman.
Clementine? Clem? Molly?
Oh, hey, you made it back.
Who's this?
He didn't tell you about me? Understandable, I guess. I'm the one who put that beating on him when he tried to jump me back at the river. Who's the fossil?
Where's Clementine?
She's around here somewhere. Relax. I got her and Kenny both back safely. You're welcome, by the way. I think you have something that belongs to me.
Lee, thank God you're back.
Krista, what's wrong?
It's Omid. He's gotten worse. Much worse.
We have a man wounded.
Who's this?
This is Vernon. He's a doctor.
Oh, thank God.
Could you take a look at him?
You have to help us. Please.
I'll see what I can do. Take me to him.
Omid, honey, you're gonna be all right. Lee brought a doctor.
All right, let's take a look at him. I work better without an audience. Why don't you go find your little girl?
Clementine. Clementine?
Dobra, znajdźmy ją, bo mnie to będzie męczyć.
Clementine, you here? Clem? Ain't got time for that. Hello? What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just poking around.
You won't find anything. We already searched the place.
You'd be surprised what people miss. Trust me, I've been doing this for a while.
Where's Clementine?
Don't ask me, I'm not her keeper.
Hey, do I look like I'm in the mood to be jerked around? Where did she go?
Last I saw, she was downstairs with your redneck friend and that college kid who hangs around with him. Why don't you go bug them?
I don't care about that. I just want to find Clementine.
No ale nie być takie, no są interesujące rzeczy.
Clementine? No sign of her in here. Clem? Clementine? Clementine, you in here? Where is she? Clementine?
Masz groły.
Clem's drawings. But where is she? Clem, you in here?
Dobra, idziemy na dół.
Clementine! Come out, please!
Jak on z tych schodów zlazł?
Kenny?
Oh, hey, you made it back. Good job. Good job.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Nadupczony.
What does it look like?
Where'd you get the bottle?
Found it. You want to throw down again like back on the train? Because I fight better when I'm shit-faced.
Hey, take it easy. Think you've had enough.
To hell with you!
Getting wasted's not gonna help anyone.
Yeah? Well, what is? We are fucked! Molly said there's not a single boat left in Savannah. No way out. We got walkers all around us, that crazy fuck on the radio messing with us. Hell, if now ain't the time for a drink?
Have either of you seen Clementine?
Damned if I know. Gotta be around here somewhere.
Ben, how did Clementine sneak out of the house?
Hey, don't put all that on me. Omid took a turn for the worse, and Krista asked me to help. I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can here. She was frantic and things got kinda crazy. I told Clementine to stay put. What else could I do?
Don't be sorry.
Zabiję
Just tell
go.
me where the hell she is now.
I think she went out to play in the backyard.
On her own, with no one watching her?
Man, will you get off my back? She's fine out there.
She better be or it's your ass.
Tego trzeba wyeliminować, bo to jest wrzut.
Clementine? Clementine! Door's covered in vines. Don't think anyone came in through there.
Sabotażysta, dokładnie. What? A nie, bo to buciki od tamtego. Ja pierdolę, już myślałem, że ją ktoś zakopał. O!
Hey, girl.
Come look! Look what I found!
Jak ona się zawarła w szopie od zewnątrz? Łociulów 100!
Holy shit.
Swear.
Ej, kurde, siku mi się chce.
Omid's doing okay?
As well as can be expected under the circumstances. I did what I could for him. Cleaned out the wound, but he's got a real infection. Running a fever. Without antibiotics,
Will you quit pacing? You're making everyone nervous.
Why are you even still here?
Hey, if your friend really can get that boat working, you're taking me with you as payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough, don't you?
Well?
You want the good news or the bad news?
I think we could all use some good news.
Good news is, the boat's seaworthy enough. In pretty good shape, mostly.
Mostly?
That's the bad news. Gas tank's empty, and her battery's dead. We need to fix both before she's taking us anyplace.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
We should go back out on the street, see what we could find.
That's not gonna work. Crawford took everything and brought it inside their walls. They siphoned every gas tank, stripped every battery. There's nothing left out there. You saw that for yourselves.
she's right.
Well, what about this Crawford place? Sounds like they'd have everything we need. Maybe we should try there.
Now hold on a minute.
Surely we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies, what harm can it do to ask?
Trust me, you don't know these people. I do. You showing up with a wounded man? Might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here?
The worst kind? But I don't see what other choice we have.
And just how exactly do you figure we do this? Because from what I've heard, that place ain't exactly friendly to outsiders.
We're armed and we've got the numbers. I say we just go in there and take what we need by force.
Okay, that is literally the dumbest idea I have ever heard. Crawford's like a goddamn military base. They've got hundreds of people in there armed to the teeth, and not perimeters guarded day and night. You're gonna have to be smarter than that.
Oh, maybe we can be. I know the sewer system that runs beneath Crawford like the back of my hand. Y'all wouldn't happen to have a map by any chance?
Yeah, actually.
I think I could lead us through so we could pass under the perimeter and right into the center where they keep their supplies. We come up right underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and get out before they even knew what hit them.
Okay, that's not bad. That's better.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together, we could pull it off.
And what do you want in return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford?
Anyone else have a problem with this plan? Because we're gonna need every one of us to pull this off.
Man, I don't know.
I don't know about you, kid, but I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer. Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
We should
A
go
niech
tonight,
zostanie.
under cover of dark. I'll go let my
Czyli
people
go
know.
mam.
Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before midnight.
Be careful.
That's how I'm still alive.
I told you to stay in your room. How long have you been there?
Is it going to be dangerous?
It's what gonna be
Yes,
dangerous?
it's going to be.
Crawford.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omid better and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. Do you understand?
I don't want anyone else to die.
Neither do I, Clem, but sometimes we have to take that kind of risk.
I guess I should go get ready.
Say what now?
You said you'd need all of us to do this, and you said I'm a big help, remember? Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are, right?
Clementine, I think it'd be safer for you to stay here with Omid.
But what if something happens to him while you're gone?
What do you mean?
He's sick. If he doesn't get better and, you know, he might try to hurt me. Can't I come with you?
Dobra, bierzemy ją.
Okay, you can come. But you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Ona jest w sumie sprawniejsza i lepiej waleczna od tego, na pewno tego ciula, co nas tam wyzdradził. Że to jest pewna sprawa.
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Nice.
Can I talk to you a minute?
What's up?
I took another look at the boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
So, we're gonna have a capacity problem. Assuming everyone makes it back alive, there ain't gonna be room for everyone.
What are you trying to say?
Just giving you a heads up is all. Thought you ought to know. Who the hell is this?
This is Bree. She can help us.
Ona jest głupia.
Help us how?
Nie chcę jej
I
tu.
was a student at the school where Crawford keeps their supplies. I know the layout.
With her help, we're in and out faster. Anyone have a problem with that?
I guess not.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get moving.
Hold up just a sec. You ready?
Ready.
Hey, whoa, hold on a minute. You're not taking her with us. Did you not hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you take her in there and they find her...
I'm not leaving her alone in the house with only Omid to protect her. It's just not happening.
For what it's worth, I don't think it's a great idea either.
She's coming. Deal with it.
You heard the man. Let's move out.
Take my axe. Fajny kościół. Tak zwany gotyk udawany. No bo tam nie było nigdy prawdziwego gotyku. Neo. Ale ja tutaj kończę odcinek na YouTube'a, żeby była dramatyczna pauza, a naprawdę to siku mi się strasznie chce. Do zobaczenia w następnym pyk.